I'd like to take you through a few of the timelines we designed in the last year or two. One thing that you'll notice about our timelines that's different from what you'll see out there a lot is that our aesthetic is very clean, straightforward, very readable, and it is date accurate. Uh, January 7th on the timeline actually correlates accurately with all the other dates, so it's to scale. But we can control that scale to make the appearance of time go more slowly or more quickly, depending on what you're trying to uh, get across through chronology. Each of these hash marks or data points, we have linked in important documents to the case. We can quickly move back to the timeline, traveling down the timeline to other data points. There's another document over here, and then we're back at the timeline. Another one we designed was a little more complicated, but as you can see, it's date accurate. There's a lot of hospital activity here in this case, and linked into each data point were documents that we were going to be using in the opening statement. This one, it's 8 channels of police band radio, calls going in and out of the police station, and the attorney wanted to have instant access to any call at any time during the course of the trial. And this was a demonstrative that we used every day at trial. If you click on any data point, you can go quickly to the PDF of the call and also play the audio of the call.
Airport operations. Outside one. Do you have that one for the state police there?
Going back to the timeline, you pick another data point. With the audio. And in this way, we were very quickly to be able to move through all the important calls of the trials and play them for different witnesses.
Pleasantville Fire Department.
Expressway State Police.
Yeah.
7 westbound call.
Yeah.
Need fire and ambulance for an accident, please.
Other functionality we built into this timeline matrix is the ability to turn all the channels off, turn only certain channels on if you wanted to isolate a channel, turn them all on. But pretty much, as I said, every timeline is customized. They wanted a little different color scheme here, which we were happy to give them. And they had a lot of density. They had a lot of words they wanted to put up there, and we had to find a way to make everything fit and still be readable to the jury on the screen. And all these data points have important PDFs, documents from the case linked in. But what sets this one apart is that they wanted to have, for the date of Friday, January 15th, 1999, there was a lot of activity. So we put this scrolling functionality in so that we could go to documents very quickly, and in each sub tab of these documents we could quickly move between other documents, go back, select something else, and we move backwards and forwards through these PDFs.